Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to do a quick video on and show you what the hell happened to this 2017 Honda CRF230. I think it's time for this kid to upgrade because he's been riding the piss out of it. The failure on this bad boy, get a look at that piston. Failure all started with this thing with probably running it too hot, and then it decide to blow the oil ring, started letting some oil get in there, and eventually just destroyed everything. And so this entire engine is being rebuilt. It even scored up the inside of the cylinder, obviously. Yeah, there you go. Pretty good scoring on the inside of the cylinder, so this whole thing's getting replaced. But yeah, hopefully he gets an upgrade on this bike after we're done here. Pretty bad.